Hi and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. This video would cover my ferry ride to Sigandur, Holebagilu. I am going to Sigandur Chowdeshwari Temple and this video would only cover my ferry ride to Sigandur. I hope you have already subscribed to this channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please click on the bell icon to get all notifications from this channel. Sigandur is a place in Western Ghats, 50 kilometers from Sagara and 50 kilometers from Kolluru, Karnataka state. The place is popular because of Sigandur Chowdeshwari Temple, who is believed to be powerful. But for travel enthusiasts, more attractive experience will be the ferry ride across River Sharavathi. Ferry ride lasted about 20 minutes, giving enough time for me to shoot, take pictures. Ferry or jetty is powered by two Ashok Leyland engines. About 5 kilometers on the other side is Sigandur Temple.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, comments, please share it with me so that I can improve in my coming videos. If you have already subscribed to channel, please ensure that you have clicked on the notification to get all notification from this channel. What's next? What do you want to see on this channel? Please comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. See ya.